Greetings fellow YouTube viewers. It's time for another compendium video. We're going to be talking about electricity, but not just any kind of electricity. Specifically, we're going to be talking about charge. What is charge? Not the kind that armies do on battlefields, but the electrical kind. Well, here below, the He stands for a helium atom. This is what a typical helium atom looks like, very simplified and not to scale. A helium atom consists of 4 particles in the nucleus, the center of the atom. 2 of these have charge. But what is charge? Charge is a property of certain types of matter that make them attract or repel other types of matter. So the inside of the helium atom, the nucleus, these red dots over here, they are protons. They have positive charge. And these blue dots over here are electrons, and they have negative charge. Now, what does the property of charge mean? Cool. One of them is positive, one of them is negative. So what? Opposites attract and like repels. What do I mean by this? I mean that if you have a negative charge over here and another negative charge over here, then these two are going to repel each other. If you have another positive charge over here and another positive charge over here, they're also going to repel. But if you have a positive charge over here and a negative charge over here, then the two charges are going to attract. That's basically the concept of charge. Now, how is charge measured? Well, charge is measured in a unit called Coulomb. Coulomb is represented by a big capital C. It's named after this dude, Charles Augustin de Coulomb. That was the French accent. So, Coulomb is a unit of charge. Coulomb, 1 coulomb is equivalent to 6.25 times 10 to the 18 electrons or protons. So, think about 10 to the 18. 10 to the 18 is a massive number. This is huge. So if you take this number of protons or this number of electrons and you put them together, you get a coulomb of charge. And so, why do we use this system? 1, because it sounds cool, and 2, because it's named after the famous dude, Coulomb. But more importantly, if 2 objects with like charges, so let's say this one, let me change the color over here. So let's say this side of the wall is negative. I'm going to use blue here because you know when you're feeling blue, it's kind of negative. Yeah. I'm great with puns. So when you have 2 negative objects 1 meter apart and they're both 1 coulomb, so this is 1 coulomb and this is 1 coulomb, and they're both like charges, so either positive or positive or negative or negative, as in this case, then the force of repulsion between these 2 objects is 9 times 10 to the 9th newtons. So that's a huge force between these 2 walls. If you have 1 coulomb on this side and 1 coulomb on this side that have the same charges, then they're going to repel each other with a force of 9 times 10 to the 9 newtons. In the next video, we will explore charge and potential difference in more detail. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Compendium and hit that bell button and like this video. And if you have any comments or ideas for future videos, make sure to leave those in the comment section. See you next time.